If you have a lot of data entered into one cell and you need to split it into multiple columns, this is going to save you a tremendous amount of time. So for this example, I would like the Mr., Ms., and so forth in one column. I want the first name in a second column, and I want the last name in a third column. So first of all, let's see how many names we're talking about. Over on cell A1, I'm just going to hold down the Control key, tap the down arrow key, and that takes me to the last cell in this block of data. So you can see we have over 2,700 names. I'll do Control Home to go back up to the top. So the first thing you want to do is select all the cells that you want to split. So I'm going to hold down the Shift key this time, plus the Control key, and tap the down arrow key. So that not only goes to the last cell in the block of data, but it selects all those cells as well. Now we'll go up to the tab that says Data, and we want to go to the Text to Columns command. When we click on this, we're dealing with a delimiter. So we want to tell it the special character we want it to look at. So we'll click Next, and it has both tab and space selected. We don't have tabs, but we want a space. Just so you can see what happens if we choose something that isn't there, I'll remove space, and notice how right now in the preview, it's all one solid block of data. I'll choose comma. That didn't affect it at all. But now when I choose space, it's actually looking at where that character is in that block of data, and every time it sees a space, it's going to then shift the text over to another column. Click Next, and you can keep it as general. If you want, you could select each individual column, make it text, date, or whatever. We'll go ahead and click Finish, and voila, it has just split everything for us. Now, it's not perfect because if you notice Linda, it should be Linda Lou Franco. So what we could do is we could select Lou, we could cut it, Control X, come over to Linda, hit a space, and then paste it with Control V. And then you could just move Franco over. And I'll scroll down a bit. You'll see there's a few things that have to be cleaned up. Not a heck of a lot when you think about 2,700 records. So hopefully this gives you an idea of how you can quickly split text into multiple columns. If you like this video, make sure you click the subscribe button below. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, we have over 31 live 1-hour instructor-led hands-on classes for you to choose from. And don't forget to download our free Excel keyboard shortcuts. Have fun starting to reclaim your valuable time.